Election campaigning period for ensuing Lok Sabha election of Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency seats has concluded today at 4 p.m. Before expiration of the deadline, political parties and candidates campaigned at their peak performance in certain locations. According to DEO, the election campaigns carried out by political parties and candidates, including various star campaigners, were immediately barred from conducting further election campaigns after the campaign period came to an end today at 4 p.m. Moreover, dissemination of exit polls in print and electronic media has also been banned under Section 126 Clause A of Representation of People Act 1951. Notably, on April 19, the state will go to poll in the first phase in 32 assembly constituencies, comprising 13 in Imphal West District, 10 in Imphal East District, 6 in Bisnupur District for Inner Manipur, and 3 in Thawbal District. Of the total 1,319 polling stations, internally displaced people will cast their votes in 29 polling stations. Micro-observers will be deployed at hypersensitive polling stations. It may be recalled that BJP candidate Thaunaujam Basantakumar, INC candidate Ompc Bimol Akoijam, RPI Athawale candidate Maheshwar Thaunaujam, independent candidates Moirangthim Totom Sana Nungsaba, RK Somendro, and Haurungbam Sarat will contest for Inner Manipur parliamentary seat, while NPF candidate Kachui Timothy Zimik, INC candidate Alfred K. Arthur, and independent candidate S. Khojon, along with Alison Abonmai, will contest for Outer Manipur parliamentary seat.